Gross domestic product, GDP, is one of the most fundamental indicators that shows the size of a country's economy. It not only reflects how much goods and services a country produces, but also indicates how efficient and diverse that production is. For example, if a country only produces agricultural products, its GDP will be lower compared to a country with a developed industrial sector. However, if that country also produces higher value-added products such as cars, technology, and financial services, its GDP will be higher. This is not just about the quantity, but also about the quality and diversity of production. When a country's GDP increases, it generally indicates that the country's economy is strengthening. As the economy grows, employment opportunities increase, living standards rise, and more resources can be allocated to public services. Additionally, GDP growth also shows how a country's integration with the global economy is increasing. For example, as a country starts exporting more, its foreign trade volume increases, and this also contributes to GDP growth. However, GDP does not directly reflect a country's level of welfare, as it only measures the size of the economy. To fully understand how this growth impacts the population, other factors need to be considered, such as how this growth translates into the income distribution. For instance, a country may have a large GDP, but much of this wealth could be concentrated in the hands of a few individuals. In conclusion, GDP not only measures the production level of a country but also helps us understand its economic structure, social welfare, role in international trade, and level of development.